All right, well, good morning. Something I want to do on this trip more than usual is record more. I know that's kind of weird to say because I've been doing Camcorder Diaries, but to be honest, I always feel kind of weird recording myself. But I saw a video the other day of a guy saying that who cares? And usually I have that attitude about things in my life. Who cares? But I find that when when I'm recording, I do care. But was like, you got to be uncomfortable. But who cares, honestly, what people think? And I say that to Destiny all the time because when we're out somewhere or when we're out of town and we do something, I always tell her, when are you ever going to see these people again in your life? Probably never. So who cares? But I'm packed up, just packed everything in the car, getting ready to pack up a couple more things. Well, I haven't packed everything. I had to get my suitcase. And then I'm out of here. Got to go to Walmart, get some stuff, and then hit the road. So, see you later. All right, well, I forgot to record all day. Even though I said I was going to be recording more. But I'm in the gym. I'm going to run. Well, I say I'm going to run. I'm going to walk because I want to read my book. And then I might do some weights after and then get to bed. It's what, 10:50 right now? So session went well tonight, and then we have 2 sessions tomorrow and some time in between, so take y'all on that journey with me. But yeah, let's get some walking in since we're in the truck most of the day, and I will see y'all probably in the morning. Bye. Hello. So I posted a couple days ago a little get ready with me, and I said I would do a full hair tutorial soon, and so here it is. Took a shower. I didn't have all the time in the world to comb out my hair completely, so the back is a little undone, but combed it out. Used my conditioner that I often use, and here is the Guava Slip by Camille Rose leave-in conditioner. So in the shower, I use a Aussie hair conditioner, and then when I get out, I put the leave-in conditioner in it. I don't often comb my hair out or brush my hair outside of the shower because I'm so tender-headed, but I wanted to at least get the ends that I could get, and so combing that through. Also, I might not be doing the hair or leave-in conditioner properly because it sprays out very weird, and so I sprayed in my hand and then put it in. What I'm applying here now, though, is the Camille Rose souffle, and so this is the Guava Slip whipped souffle, pulling it through my hair as well as I can. Again, the back is a little messed up, not fully combed through. Got to get a little hair flip in there, of course, but just putting in some more, just trying to make sure it's all good. And then here is the 7 Oils by Carol's Daughter. So put this oil on top to lock in some of the moisture. First I put it upon my scalp, and then I put it in my hands, and then run it through and run it over the top of my hair as well, as you see right here. Just pulling it on through. And now for the ponytail. I am only now in my life learning how to do a ponytail, well, on myself, and it is a little bit easier. I've only done it like 3 times, I think, and so this is me struggling. Like I said, I'm tender-headed, so the lightest pulls hurt,
But yeah, getting the pony through, twisty, looping, whatever. And then putting a little bit more oil on it as we wrap up. But yeah, I am actually proud of myself for doing this because for a long time in my life, I have had a phobia of like grease and oil, lotion on my hands. As you can see, I've clipped away myself wrapping my hands in my towel. I wash my hands every single time I get something on it because I just cannot stand it. But I've gotten a lot better with it. I've in the last year or so, I've been getting over the fear, but can't have long hair with the fear of lotion and gel and oil and stuff. So, but here we are getting ready, just getting my clothes on, put my camera together, and then headed out. It was cold in the morning, so put on a little jacket and overshirt, and then we were headed off. So that's the hair tutorial, and that's the getting ready. Well, good morning. Just got done and getting ready. Now I'm headed to go downstairs and read for a minute. So we still got 45 minutes, a little bit towards 45 minutes before we leave. So I'm gonna go read some more of this book. Catch you later.
Where it ends, rather, that last chord. Because it's back and forth between that 2 and the 4.
Interlude.
The 2.
Ending.
And on the... You can end on the 4 there.
Go back to the 4 and then maybe just play like the range. Let it get progression. That's how we'll cautious right.
Yeah. Yeah, Gary, you can riff on whatever there.
Verse 2. Chorus. Bridge 2.
Minor 5. 4. 2. 5. 4.
Frame 2.
I take more pictures of my animals than I do anything else. When it snowed, I got like a really cool picture of a horse. She was standing at the bottom of the fence, and I went out there. I have like a cam lens that like is pretty sweet. But I got like a really sweet picture of her. In the snow.
Yeah.
So you have no idea where their scores are when they get there. Scotty just made another birdie putt to go to
Scotty
40.
doesn't know. Please tell me you know that. Okay.
What'd you get on yours?
I got big tasty sauce, a little bit of mayo, some ketchup, mushrooms, some Cajun almond butter, and then
Cajun almond butter?
Cajun almond butter. And then I got
I mean,
bacon
that
and
sounds
American
like a
cheese.
What's on the bottom?
The mushrooms and mayo.
Double smash with the big tasty sauce and some pickles, and also some Cajun dusting.
Asian dusting. And what did you get, Amanda?
All right, I got some peanut butter, some bacon cheese, fried onions, and a jelly top it off. So PB&J action. Some sweet potato fries.
Bread?
Yeah.
With the hands in. I didn't tell the camera what I got. What did I get? Mayo, mustard, ketchup, tomato, lettuce,
Who got the veggie
an
burger?
egg. Nobody. I think it was like another
I
person.
used to go order. I already
Egg.
excited and I was like, ooh.
Double
yeah.
patty
Yes.
and peanut butter on the bottom bun.
Yeah. Peanut butter. That's where it's at.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
This is.
Let's see if it actually tastes weird.
It can.
I've heard a lot of people rave about it. Like, a lot of
Hey,
people
man.
come here for the peanut butter on the burger.
Let's all go get matching hats.
How about no hat? So long.
About $3 shirt.
All right. Well, I tried. I tried to record more, but I'm just realizing that I'm not that great at remembering to record. But we just finished up the second session, and pack up here, and don't really know what we're doing next. So I'm just gonna pack up some of the stuff that I'm not using tomorrow. So I will see you in a bit. Actually, in the meantime, just watch some of the session we just finished.
train.
Hello, my name is Caleb. I'm a drummer and an ex-convict. I was in prison for 23 years for a crime I didn't commit.
Have you even been alive for 23 years?
Next Saturday, I will have.
So I put my eyes on Jesus, the author of my faith. So I put my eyes on Jesus, and cast off every weight for the joy before Him. He suffered in my place, despising all the shame, and He helps me run this race. So I put my eyes on Jesus, and now I'm running free. I have everything I need when I put my eyes on Jesus. Always gone, nothing's gonna hold me back. Nothing's gonna hold me back. My way's gone, nothing's gonna hold me back. Nothing's gonna hold me back. My way's gone, nothing's gonna hold me back. Nothing's gonna hold me back.
Bucky, I love you. I'm your biggest fan.
I didn't know it was you.
Who do you think it was?
You.
You're hiding from me?